Hi, I'm Kristina Turner, and I'm on the Restoring Resourcefulness faculty of the Foundation for ConsciousLiving.org. I have been noticing in the past few days that I startle really easily when there's a loud noise. And in the middle of the night, I'm waking up feeling scared. And several times during the day, I'm noticing my belly is tight like this. And I'm wondering if any of this is happening to you too. I'm imagining so because our whole global nervous system right now is on alert. And I wanted to let you know something that I've been doing that has been helping me in those moments. And that is to simply pause and take 3 centered breaths. So a centered breath is one that begins with an inhale that goes all the way down into my belly. Maybe you want to join me on the next breath. And one more. You can even on the exhale imagine you're blowing a birthday candle out over there across the room from you. 3 centered breaths I'm finding brings me into a state of feeling more resourced, feeling more settled, feeling more like a happy baby feels when they breathe into their bellies.